Welcome to Vehicle Club, where we bring you the latest updates from the world of automobiles. Today, we are diving into one of the most exciting revivals in Indian automotive history, the 2025 Hindustan Ambassador EV. The legendary Ambassador, once known as the King of Indian Roads, has returned in a futuristic electric avatar. A legacy reimagined. The Hindustan Ambassador has always been more than just a car, it's an emotion tied to India's automotive journey. From political leaders to everyday families, it was a symbol of status and reliability. Now, in 2025, the Ambassador makes a comeback as a fully electric vehicle, combining nostalgia with modern innovation. Bold exterior design. The new Ambassador EV retains its iconic retro silhouette but adds a futuristic twist. The body lines are smoother, with a wide grille-inspired front panel, LED lighting all around, and a premium chrome finish. The stance is muscular yet elegant, paying homage to the original design while appealing to modern buyers. Premium and smart interiors. Inside, the 2025 Ambassador EV delivers luxury. A spacious cabin with premium upholstery, a large touchscreen infotainment system, AI-assisted voice commands, and a fully digital instrument cluster create a tech-savvy atmosphere. Ample legroom and a panoramic sunroof further elevate the comfort, making it a true executive-class vehicle. Performance and range. The Ambassador EV comes equipped with a powerful electric motor delivering instant torque for smooth acceleration. It boasts a driving range of around 400 to 450 kilometers on a single charge, making it practical for both city commutes and long highway drives. With fast charging support, the car can recharge up to 80% in under 40 minutes, ensuring convenience on the go. Safety and technology. Safety has been a key focus in the 2025 model. The EV offers advanced driver assist systems including lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, multiple airbags, and a robust chassis for maximum protection. Connectivity features like over-the-air updates and smartphone integration make the driving experience smarter and more reliable. Market position and appeal. The Ambassador EV is expected to target premium EV buyers who value both heritage and modernity. Competing with models like Tata EVs and MG electric cars, it carries the unique advantage of emotional nostalgia. For many Indians, owning the new Ambassador isn't just about driving an EV, it's about reliving history in a modern way. Final thoughts. The 2025 Hindustan Ambassador EV beautifully bridges the past and the future. With its blend of classic design, modern technology, and sustainable mobility, it promises to capture hearts once again. The legend has been reborn, and this time, it's electric.